If you are interested in how add remove magnification on your TLC 205A, today I will show how to do it. Our first step to add our remove magnification is we must swipe out the screen and go to the settings. In it, one of the last function usability, and there we have our magnification, which is off. To turn on it, we must switch on this function, confirm by got it, and we have our person icon on the right corner. To zoom our screen, we press on it and tap on the screen. We can easily change position of our zoom using two fingers and scrolling on our screen where you want go and zoom. To turn off it, we press on our person icon again. And that's all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.